Hello and welcome back to iCalculator. In today's video, we're going to focus on navigating the Swedish tax system for expatriates and non-residents. Whether you're considering moving to Sweden or already living there as a non-resident, understanding your tax obligations is crucial. Let's look at what we'll cover today. First, we'll explore the tax rules specific to non-residents and expatriates in Sweden. Next, we'll discuss how income earned both inside and outside of Sweden is taxed for non-residents. Then, we'll delve into the non-resident taxpayer status and what it means for your tax obligations. Lastly, we'll provide strategies to avoid double taxation, especially for those with global incomes. Let's start with the tax rules for non-residents and expats. In Sweden, understanding whether you are a non-resident or a resident is crucial for your tax obligations. Non-residents are only taxed on income earned in Sweden, such as salaries from Swedish employers, income from businesses operated in Sweden, or rental income from Swedish properties. Residents, however, are taxed on their worldwide income. Determining your status involves looking at factors like the duration of your stay in Sweden, the purpose of your stay, and your ties to the country, such as family or employment. Having looked at the residency-based tax rules, let's focus on how non-residents are taxed on their income in Sweden. Non-residents in Sweden are taxed on income that originates within the country. This includes not just wages from work done in Sweden, but also business profits from activities conducted in Sweden, and rental income from Swedish properties. However, income that non-residents earn from outside Sweden is not subject to Swedish tax. Understanding these distinctions is vital to ensure compliance and avoid unexpected tax liabilities. Now that we understand how non-residents are taxed on Swedish income, let's explore the filing requirements and tax treatments for non-resident taxpayers. For non-resident taxpayers in Sweden, specific filing requirements apply. To register as a non-resident taxpayer, you need to file a special form with the Swedish Tax Agency. This involves providing details about your income sources, duration of stay, and other relevant information. The deadlines for filing vary based on your specific circumstances, so it's important to be aware of these to avoid penalties. Let's now turn our attention to a major concern for expats and non-residents: how to avoid being taxed twice on the same income. Expats and non-residents often worry about double taxation on their global income. Sweden has agreements with many countries to prevent this. These tax treaties ensure that income is taxed only in one country or that credit is given for taxes paid abroad. It's essential to understand how these treaties apply to your specific situation to effectively manage your global tax obligations. If you're looking for more detailed information on navigating the Swedish tax system as an expat or non-resident, our iCalculator website is the perfect resource. We continuously update our site with the latest tax information and guidelines. For more in-depth insights, click the link in the description below. That concludes our video on navigating tax for expats and non-residents in Sweden. You should now have a clearer understanding of the tax rules, taxpayer status, and strategies to avoid double taxation in Sweden. In our next video, we will delve into the various types of taxable income and special deductions in Sweden. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.